In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off automatic Do Not Disturb on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up settings. Then go to Focus, and that's where you can find Do Not Disturb settings. Just get into it. Then just scroll down until you find Set a Schedule, and that's where you can find some schedules, including manually created or automatic created, and that's where you can turn them off or change them. As you can see, I got everyday schedule from 22 hours to 8 hours, so that means from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. That's because in that time I'm sleeping and I want my device to automatically switch to Do Not Disturb mode in that time. So if you got some schedule here and you want to turn it off, you can just open up that schedule and then you can change it. You can turn it off, or even you can delete it by hitting Add Delete Schedule. The same about automatically created schedules. You can just get into it, turn them off or delete it. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.